Today, we're diving into Figma. How to use Figma to design a desktop app. If you're new to Figma but interested in designing websites, this video is perfect for you. We'll use essential features to create a simple gym homepage. To get started, make sure you have a free Figma account. Let's begin. First, we'll create a new design file by selecting New Design File in your drafts. But we will create a template like this one, keeping it in mind so that you understand which tools are used to make this design. Use the rectangle tool to draw shapes for each section. Align the sections using Figma's alignment tools, such as Middle Align. For better alignment, set up a grid system with 12 columns using Figma's layout grids. Utilize Figma's Styles feature to save colors globally for easy reuse. Drag and drop images into Figma. Use Figma's masking tool to fit images into designated shapes, like background images. Import SVG icons into your Figma project. Resize icons using Figma's resizing options and align them using Figma's Auto Layout feature. Auto Layout is essential for organizing elements horizontally and vertically. Ensure elements like buttons and text blocks maintain spacing. Create overlapping elements using Figma's layering capabilities, such as diagonal shapes. Adjust opacity and gradients for text layers with specific fonts and styles like bold and uppercase. Adjust line heights and text Import icons from external sources like Icon Finder in SVG format. Adjust sizes and colors of icons to fit your design needs. Convert elements like buttons into components for reusability. Using components ensures consistency across the design, as updating one instance updates all. Add visual effects like drop shadows to elements for depth and appeal. Adjust shadow properties such as blur and opacity to achieve the desired effect. Use grids for precise alignment and positioning of elements within the artboard. Utilize constraints to keep elements in place relative to the viewport. Incorporate color palettes and global styles for a consistent design language. Adjust background colors of elements and artboards for visual harmony. Fine-tune the layout to match the finalized design, adjusting spacing and element sizes as needed. Prepare the design for scalability across different screen sizes and devices. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more design tutorials. This walkthrough demonstrates a comprehensive approach to using Figma for web or app design, focusing on best practices for layout, typography, and visual consistency. If you need more specific details or further assistance with any part of the process, feel free to ask.